Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily find spam messages on your iPhone. Put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, for this, we're going to go to Mail. And here, if we go to Mailboxes, you can find a box that will be called Junk Mail, which will contain spam messages. I don't have such a box yet, but if you've been using mail for a while, you'll definitely have one, I think. And with a spam message, you can do absolutely everything that you can do with regular messages. You can delete them. For example, if you swipe to the left and you see the delete function, you can delete those messages immediately. Or if you also swipe to the left, click on More. You will see a menu of what you can do with these spam messages. Move them to a folder, as I said, delete them, send them somewhere. You can turn off notifications on them, or you can, for example, reply to spam messages. If it's just a regular message that you want to move to the spam box, then you swipe to the left, click More, find Move to Junk. And that message will now be in the spam box. So that's the simple way you can find a message with you or send a message to spam on your iPhone phone. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and see you soon.